ice fishing? Hop out. Come, jump. I got you. So I'm not much of a fancy man. I don't have an auger. I have a big piece of rod that I sharpened to break through the ice. I think we're safe because somebody else was already out there, but we're gonna check anyway. Why not, right? She looks pretty good. Should breaking her away.
Yeah.
There we go. Hit water. Ice is probably, oh geez, I don't know, a good 5 inches. So we're good.
Let's go over there. Let's go over there.
Okay. It's like a blizzard out here. What'd you say?
I got a bite.
Yeah, maybe you did. We're gonna go try that other hole, okay, bud?
Why? A fish now?
Well, we haven't got anything here for a minute, so, and I haven't seen anything again, so let's go try over there. Here we are, set up. Down there, you can see it kinda. I did see a perch. We're also using the White Lake sled, ice fishing sled. Works great. All your kids around, and your gear. Well, we've been out here for a bit. So I haven't got anything in the last little while. No bites. It is getting deep. More snow than what we got here. Here we are. All right, made it. We're back on the road.